morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Thursday, June 11th. The euro rose 0.37% against the US dollar and closed down 1.1317 as concerns about the Greek debt negotiations reduced as Germany is reportedly considering to make an aid offer to the debt-laden country. Yesterday, the US posted a budget deficit of $82.40 billion in May, while markets were expecting a budget deficit of $97.50 billion. The pair is expected to find support at 1.1245, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.1189. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.1372, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.1443. Trading trends in the euro today are expected to be determined by the Eurozone's industrial production data scheduled in a few hours. Additionally, the US advanced retail sales scheduled later today would grab a lot of market attention. The British pound rose 0.78% against the US dollar and closed at 1.5500 after the NIESR forecasted that Britain's economy grew at a faster pace in March-May 2015 period, recovering from a weak first quarter. Overnight data showed that Britain's house price balance rose to 34.00 in May, compared to a revised level of 32.00 registered in April, while market expectations were for it to rise to 36.00. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5392, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.5287. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5579, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5661. The US dollar weakened 1.28% against the Japanese yen and closed at 122.81. Overnight data revealed that Japan's Business Survey Index, the BSI, of large manufacturing industries dropped 6% QoQ on a seasonally adjusted basis in the second quarter 2015. The pair is expected to find support at 122.14, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 121.21. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 124.31, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 125.56. Going forward, market participants await the release for Japan's industrial production as well as tertiary industry index data scheduled tomorrow for further cues. The Australian dollar strengthened 0.61% against the US dollar to close at 0.7735. Earlier today, data showed that unemployment rate in Australia surprisingly fell to 6%, its lowest level in a year in May. Markets were expecting the nation's jobless rate to rise to 6.2%. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7674, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.7575. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.7833, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7894. Gold prices traded higher by 0.79% against the US dollar at $1185.30 per ounce, bolstered by a weaker greenback along with concerns over the Greek debt crisis. The pair is expected to find support at 1175.80, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1166.30. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1193.30, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1201.30. For an insightful analysis on last week's market trends, please feel free to visit our website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day!